Almost there. Just needs a little tap.
Engine sputtering, needs adjustment. Carburetor? Yeah, and the timing. Hold on. Sounds rough. Valve issue? Just needs tuning. Better now.
Careful with those sparks. Got it, almost through this part.
Good. I'll get this bolt.
Right, keep it steady.
All right, she's ready for paint. Let's make her shine. Here we go. Perfect finish, mate.
Boys, it's beautiful.
We restored it just for you. Just like the old days.
Thank you. This means everything. I love it.